So today we're going to be taking a look at the CaseBorne ArmadilloTek case for the iPhone 15 Pro Max. Now, this is one of those super duper protective cases. It does have polycarbonate and thermoplastic polyurethane TPU material, and this is one of those cases that are super rugged. It comes with the kickstand, it comes with the belt clip, it's got the built-in screen protector, it's got everything that you need. Super rugged case. So this case does come in black, orange, and green. It is shipped from Frisco, Texas, and it's got multiple features. So it does have 21 feet of drop protection. It has your multi-layered TPU and polycarbonate fusion, hands-free viewing with the built-in kickstand, and there's also the belt clip. It has your MagSafe, and it has an eco-conscious design. Now, what's included in the box is the 15 Pro Max case, the tempered glass screen protector, and that belt clip holster. So let's go ahead and take a look around the box. So on the back of the box, you got the ArmadilloTek.com. They provide a 1-year premium warranty, and it says it's okay to drop your phone. They believe that your phone will survive a drop with this case on. So let's go ahead and take a look around the rest of the box. There's really nothing else there, and we'll open it up, see what all we get inside. Now, that's all you get in the box here. So starting off, we are greeted right there with our CaseBorne logo, as well as that belt clip case, and look at that behemoth right there. But we'll put that on here shortly, and this is the back of your case right there. So let's take a look. Nothing else in the box, and let's take a look around here. So this part comes off. This is part of your outer shell. This has got this little foam material here. We can take that off, set that to the side, and in here is your case. So when we open it up, you get your belt clip first. We'll set that up here. You get this little getcaseborne.com product information manual. You get this Save the Earth little brochure right there. And you have your screen protector installation kit right here. So patch installation and cleaning kit, patch installation and cleaning kit, both of those right there. And you are greeted right away with those 2 tempered glass screen protectors right here. Let's take a look at one. Now, I'm not going to install one of these on my phone because I currently am using the Banks tempered glass screen protector, and I really like it. But let's take a look. You do just get this nice little tempered glass screen protector right here. No installation kit or anything like that. I wish we did have that, but that's okay. And that's pretty much it. So setting all that to the side, let's go ahead and take a look at the back of it before we go ahead and assemble everything. So on the back of the case, you have your CaseBorne MagSafe magnet right there. It does say CaseBorne nice and big all the way across the bottom of the case. Now, I'm not a huge fan of really big branding like that. I wish this was just solid black, but that's okay. And you get these kind of like faux screws right there on the back of the case, right there with that ruggedness. And you do have this kickstand right there, and it does have a pretty nice hinge, so when your phone is on its side or if it's standing like this, it shouldn't fall over once there's actually a case in there, but we're going to test all of that out. So moving along to the inside, you have that MagSafe ring right there with the alignment magnet, a little bit of CaseBorne branding right there, and you have your hexagon pattern going across the back. That helps with shock protection, as well as the inside of the case. You do have the little corners that are recessed, and they give you that more shock protection right there on the corners. So this is a super rugged case. So with that being said, let's go ahead and take our black titanium iPhone 15 Pro Max, and we'll set it in here. So first, what we're going to want to do is slap this little shell on here. Okay, so put that on. Now, I do already have, like I said, a tempered glass screen protector, so we'll see if this works with other screen protectors as well as CaseBorne's own. So we'll take that, and now we're going to go ahead and slap this right into the case itself. So let's go ahead and do that. Now, this is going to be a little bit difficult to get on at first. You got to kind of just, wind it around. But once you get it on there, you definitely do not have to worry about this thing coming off because it's already tight enough to get on there. I can almost guarantee that this will never come off. There we go. Got that on there. Oh, if you guys see, it looks like it may have peeled up my tempered glass screen protector right there a little bit. I do have an air bubble there now, but I'm not sure if we'll be able to put that back. So let's go ahead and finish wrapping this around the case. Now, this is pretty difficult to put on. I'm not going to lie to you guys, but I feel like this is one of those cases that when you put it on, you're going to keep it on, and you're going to keep it on for a while, because this is something for, like, the construction workers out there, the people who are super rough on their phones or need that super heavy duty protection with that dad clip, the belt clip, hashtag dad clips unite. Let me see that down in the comments below. Do you use a dad clip? I love these things. They're awesome. But with your clip, you do get that all around 360-degree movement. So let's take this back off. Dad clips unite again. Take that back off and step around the case. Now again, on the back, there you go. This is the back of it. And let's look around the sides. The top is completely closed in, and you do have these corners that are severely raised up right there. So if you drop it down, you have no issues of this breaking your screen or anything like that. Moving along the side, you do have a bunch of grip right here, as well as your action button, volume up and volume down button. Let's listen to how those sound. Nice clicky buttons. That was the 3 buttons here and the power button. Nice, pretty clicky buttons. Very good response to them. I like that. You do have this very nice grip right down here. And moving along to the bottom of the phone, you have your accurate microphone and speaker cutouts, as well as a sealed off USB Type-C port to there prevent your dust and anything else like that getting in there. So you do have your USB Type-C port. We'll go ahead and seal that back in there. And on the right-hand side, you have a completely closed-in grip going all the way around and that power button. So how does this case feel in the hand? This thing is bulky, man. It's a big boy, but what are you using for? You know, this isn't the kind of case that you're going to really take to your office job. You're not taking this out to the restaurants. You're not taking this out to the clubs, nothing like that. If you set this down on your restaurant table, it looks like some sort of radio or anything like that, that you got a whole weapon right there. But this is going to serve the purpose of what it's meant for, which is you're going to get that crazy protection. Like I said, that 21 feet of drop protection from this case, which is insane. I mean, you can literally, I'm 6 feet tall. I can drop this from above my head and it shouldn't break. Not going to try that here, but you should be confident with that being there. And like I said, let's take a look at that kickstand now that the case is on there. It's a little bit difficult to kind of open up. I wish there was the finger groove, which is right there, was a little bit more centered, so that way it was easier to pry up, but that's just nitpicking at this point. So let's go ahead and set it down like this. We'll test out all the angles right there. Can it withstand you just sitting here and tapping stuff around, etc.? That looks pretty good to me. And you can also stand it up like this in portrait mode and be good to go to watch whatever TikToks or anything you're watching, doing any kind of documents. You can set it on landscape, you can set it in portrait, and you'll be good to go. So let's go ahead and test the MagSafe on this. Now, we'll start off with the Apple MagSafe wallet with just that regular insert in there. Put it on there, and this thing's got good MagSafe. You got your MagSafe animation right there. You can sit here and do this all day long, and you don't have to worry about this wallet coming off of your phone. Really good MagSafe. You got to push it off of there. And I feel like these little grooves kind of almost help it out a little bit too. I'm not sure if that's what those are for, but it definitely seems to help. Now, moving on to the MagSafe battery pack. Nice click onto there. Do we get it? Maybe not. Let's try it one more time live. It might be dead. It's probably dead. But either way, you do get that MagSafe connection, and we can sit here and shake this all around, as well as shaking, oh, there we go, we got it. As well as shaking the case by the magnet itself, it's not coming off at all. So you guys don't have to worry about any of that. Any of your accessories of MagSafe coming off. This CaseBorne case has super, super strong MagSafe, which I really like. And moving along to our Anchor 623, let's just see how that'll look on there. And we got action. We're picking it up. We've got no issues at all. I can even shake this. I haven't done this before, so let's hope we don't break anything. But we can shake it a little bit, and it barely even coming off. You got to shake it pretty good. So with that being said, you can just go ahead and set that up. Use it on your car mount, whatever you want, like per usual, you know what I mean? And you have no issues to worry about with this at all. It'll withstand it. You can sit here, tap around all over the place, and pick it up. It'll pick up the bass. Like I said, nobody really does that. I'm just testing it for you guys, but you're good to go with that MagSafe. Super, super strong MagSafe. Now, the only thing I wish is that's a shame that my screen protector got peeled up from this case. I guess you do have to use CaseBorne screen protectors that they include, or no screen protector if you don't want to, with this case. So I can't really recommend you using any other screen protector. Like I said, this is the Banks. It has worked with all of my other cases with no issues, and this case has peeled it up right there. So That's okay, not the biggest deal in the world, but if you guys did spend your money on your screen protectors and you care about them being on there, this may be what you get. So the good news is CaseBorne does give you that screen protector, so it's not the end of the world, but you may have to sacrifice what's on your phone already for theirs. So with that being said, do I recommend the CaseBorne ArmadilloTek case? And the answer is yes and no. Now, I personally would rather go with something a little bit more sleek looking, like the UAG case, the Monarch case that they have, or honestly maybe even an OtterBox, just because it looks a little bit less rugged. I'm a very minimal type of person. I don't like a whole bunch of designs and stuff like that that look, you know, super rugged or very military, anything like that. That's not me. So, you know, for me, something like the plain black on the OtterBox or the UAG where it just has that little, you know, the branding right there, nothing crazy, that is something that I would get. But for me, you know, and with the price on this one, it being $50, I don't know. Now, I'm going to try to get you guys a discount code, which I'll leave in the link in the description below if I do get one. But for $50, I don't know if I can go with this case. Now, on the other hand, you do have the screen protectors that are included. You got the belt clip. So, you know, if you are looking for that protection, you're looking for that 21 feet of drop protection, this very well may be the case for you. Just because it's not necessarily for me and for my style doesn't mean it's not a good case, because it is. It's very much a solid case. I have no issue trusting this case with even potentially throwing it, dropping it, whatever. I think this will definitely protect the phone from what you need it to protect it from. It's got that really nice camera lip right there, which is something we didn't mention. And obviously the screen protector plus a crazy screen lip. So you have no issue setting this down or putting it on its back, whatever you want to do. It's just the crazy rugged look for me just doesn't do it for me. And that's okay. Everybody has their own preferences, whatever you guys decide. And one other thing, let's take a look at this belt clip. Now, I would personally use it like this. I would never have my screen facing out. I think that's just asking for trouble. But either way, let's see if this will clip back. No, this does. So like on the OtterBox, for example, the kickstand right here, it clips back also to act as a kickstand. But since you have one built in right here, I guess they don't necessarily feel that you may need that. But this is going to have your 360-degree rotation with it, and it'll protect it. You know, you can clip this on your belt, in your pocket, on your tool bag, whatever you're clipping it on, and anything that hits against this, I have very good confidence that it's not going to break your phone. So, like I said, this is the CaseBorne ArmadilloTek for the iPhone 15 Pro Max. Let me know what you guys think about this. Is this a case that you guys would buy? Would you use this? Is it a little too rugged for you? What do you think? Let me know down in the comments below. Make sure you guys like and subscribe to the channel, and I'll catch you in the next video.